Okay, the transporter is on his way, and I've been prepping a few of the puppies that are going out with him. So I've just been doing some quick tallying of microchip numbers and getting their collars together. I did another round of deworming before they're leaving. So I gave them that, clipped their nails. Their nails were like talons. I mean, good Lord, they cut me up. Look at that. You see that? I mean, they weren't intending to slice and dice me. They just jump on you. And then we've checked all of their microchips with this scanner. And so let's take a look at them. We've got them in a holding area. Hello, babies. Let's see. Yep. 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 So here are the babies. Hi, baby. You're going to Oregon. I'm going to Oregon. You're going to Virginia. I'm going to Virginia. Where are you going? Pennsylvania. Hello, cutie. Your mama's waiting for you. What about my mama? Your mama's waiting for you too. What about my mama? Of course she is. So I'm gonna go ahead and post their ears up real quick, and they should be ready to go. Posted those ears. They're not the best looking, but they'll be all right. All right, so our transporter is here, and Steve and Lisa was telling us that they've got 2 new hires that will be helping out going forward. Can you introduce yourself again?
I'm Cody.
Cody and
Jake.
Jake. Well, we've heard good things about you. We trust you to get our babies there safe. It's cold out here, so they're shivering. Good luck, Godspeed to you. Can't wait to see how it goes. So this baby is going to Oregon. This one is going to Pennsylvania, and that one's going to Virginia. So this is gonna be good. This is gonna be good. So how does this work? You guys just gonna split up and then you guys meet back? Like, how do you normally do this?
Well, right now we are taking care of office stuff and trying to move our kennel ourselves right now. We run teams of drivers, so one drives, one sleeps, keeps the wheels rolling, limits transport time. So they will be actually going from here, picking up 2 in Alabama, drop them in North Carolina, then Virginia will get dropped, then Pennsylvania, pick one up in Pennsylvania going to California, and then they'll go to Oregon and then drop that one in California, and then return back.
Okay, so I guess going forward, like how do we do the same thing? Like, I'll give the information to where that puppy's going to Cody, and
I mean, you can still arrange everything through us. We'll
disseminate all the information.
Yeah, we actually printed them out a sheet that has the addresses and stuff.
Good.
And the order in which to do it, so they know how they're going and how to do their route. Perfect. They have a company cell phone, so
good, very good.
All the calls and texts will come from a company phone.
Good.
And we are. Right now, we're in the small van because the large van had a transmission issue before Christmas.
Yeah.
We'll pick it back up
in Texas.
This week. That's a $5,000 bill. Besides, I bought another van so they could finish the trip and keep working, and drove it out to them. I was up for 26 hours.
That's not good.
I bought a van, drove out to them, had them take me to the San Antonio airport where I met my son that was coming home from the military, and we flew back home. So
very good, very good.
Van broke, but it worked out.
It worked out.
It broke down. I got on it. And within 48 hours, I was in Texas with another one. They were at a hotel, safe and everything. So.
Okay, well, good. Well, before I forget, you guys, you breed shepherds yourself, right?
Yes, we do.
Okay.
We have dark sable, we have light sables, we have blacks, we have blue,
Red and black.
we have red and blacks, we have long coats, we have short coats.
Yeah, make sure you
So-
send me some pictures, you know. People want to see them.
We will. Our kennels also Southern Canine Protectors.
Good. Southern Canine Protectors. Very good. Okay, well, thank you guys. We trust you, and we can't wait to see the families looking on their face when you get them to them. Yeah.
Yeah.
You're on your way. This sucks. No, it doesn't suck. It's gonna be good.
Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy.